Yeah.
See, she left her elbows.
Yeah.
Wow, she's got it, girl. Of course, she waits for Waltons now.
Yeah. That's it, Caitlin.
Yeah, see that when she watched the films of the other, watch her, show her.